Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today we are here with a brand new signal, and today's signal is going to be on GBPUSD, a really famous currency. So without any more time to waste, let's head to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, as you can see, currently what we can understand from this is that the seller side is stronger than the buyer side. And the markings that this currency has taken in this week were positive, but now we are seeing that the forecasting is showing us that we are going to experience a really great downfall in Tuesday. So we're going to assume that this is kind of helping us that we are in a correct way. And what I understood from the news, we had a really strong bearish news in Monday, but in Thursday we have bullish news. But I don't know, these are gonna count, but this news is a really strong news, but it's passed, I guess, till now. So as we all know, news are not that important. We have to go to the chart so we can see better. So let's head to the chart. Okay, now that we're on our chart, I have pre-drawn some zones for you as always, and this green zone that you are currently seeing is going to act like a support for our selling trade, and we're gonna put our stop loss right above this level. And let me show you why I have drawn this level, because this is a really strong support for sellers, because look at the momentum that happened right here. There were a lot of sellers that were waiting for this level to break, and then as you can see, the price pulled back up and then started to move to the downside. So this makes a really strong support for the sellers. And as you can see, we have equal highs that actually hold liquidity up above them. And as you can see, the market has taken those liquidities and those momentums, and if the price comes back to the downside and retraces back to our level, we can actually open ourselves a selling trade. And this red area is a really strong support area, as you can see. So we're gonna actually set our TPs based on this area. And as always, what I want from you is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this pretty for you guys. Enjoy. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, I just wanted to end the video with a beautiful quote. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Continue, my guys. Have a good time and peace.